Welcome to the Autel Training Academy. My name is John Amato. When the Right to Repair Act passed in 2014 and required vehicle manufacturers to make available to the independent repair shops the same vehicle system and diagnostics and repair data that was available to their dealers, bay doors were thrown wide open both figuratively and literally. Vehicle repairs and services that once only a dealer could perform now could be completed by the customer's own independent repair shop. This is especially true when we speak about security systems and key programming. Autel's line of immobilizer and key programming tablets and accessories have created a true opportunity for repair and collision shops to keep in-house services that they have previously sent to dealers and locksmiths. Autel's Maxi IM508 offers an array of immobilizer and key programming functions for use with American and Asian vehicles. Its capabilities include key learning, remote control learning, as well as key and remote control. While Autel's IM608 tablet adds expert-level immobilizer and key programming functionality, including the ability to perform add or erase, all keys lost, types of key learning on American, Asian, and European vehicles. The IM608 can perform key learning directly through the OBD2 port on 85% of vehicles in North America. The tablet can read the immobilizer pins and password directly from the vehicle and store this information to use later when learning the newly programmed keys to the vehicle. So your shop has the best tools, but still you can do better. Because as security systems become even more sophisticated and integrated into almost every vehicle system, your shop is going to need to be authorized to access and service those systems. That's why we urge you to have one or more technicians in your repair or collision shop become a vehicle security professional, VSP, formerly known as a locksmith identification or LSID license. This license is granted by the National Automotive Task Force or NASTF. This enables you to access needed security information from automakers directly from their websites or portals and enable you to access security information like key codes and PIN numbers on behalf of your customers. The procedure to get a VSP is involved and includes a criminal background check, company liability insurance, and security bonds. But the opportunities it affords for a new and growing revenue stream for your business seem truly limitless. For more information about registering to become a vehicle security professional with NASTF, please visit their website at www.nastf.org. If you want more information about Autel's immobilizer and key programming tablets, please visit autel.com or call our support line at 855-288-3587 and speak to any of our experienced key programming specialists. Thanks for watching.